and when she went to register for the draft.
She did?
And we were there for probably 2 hours trying to get them to let her register.
They wouldn't.
Oh, no.
Yes, I'm actually aware of that. I have some friends who tried to register and it didn't work. And we tried signing petitions to get women to register.
This is when they actually had the draft. They don't have it anymore.
Well, we're still eligible for it.
There's no draft. But there was a draft then. She could have been sent to Vietnam.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm very much in favor of women like that because that's true equality in my own view. Okay?
Exactly.
Now, so I'm glad you told me that. I'm proud of your sister. Okay? That's very brave to do that, especially when it's against the social norms. But it's a felony if I don't register, okay? And I lose voting rights. But a lady next to me, if I were born a girl, my sisters say, she gets it for free. So you can't underbid free. So women regularly downvote the draft, so to speak. They'll go out and protest. It comes up into the Senate. It made it through the Senate 2016, I think.
The draft did?
For women, yes.
Oh,
but it didn't make it.
They don't have the draft now.
Well, we're still eligible for drafts, yes.
Yeah, but there's no draft.
No, there hasn't been one in so long, but we could get one tomorrow in theory because of selective
especially
service.
with Trump there.
Well, arguably, yes, he's kind of a jerk. I'll give you that.
I'm really worried that he's going to get us in a war before we get him out of there.
Well, I mean, it could happen. I'm not going to lie, it could happen.
And if he does, then
with the bombing in Libya, that's an active war zone. So, but Hillary wanted a no-fly zone there. So, and Putin said that would start a war, but you know how these things are. They'll all claim everything's going to start a war. But I'm glad you came up and talked to me because I've been told I'm not among friends. I should be quiet. I should leave.
Oh no, my sister, we were raised with the idea that anything we did, we needed to take the responsibility as well as the benefit.
Well, that is really great.
I was a reservoir engineer for 40 years. I had a very good career, but it was, being a woman in that was different. My oldest sister, the one who applied for the draft, was an orthopedic surgeon until she retired.
Really?
Yeah,
well, my grandfather was in the forces.
We were born in the 50s, so, we're kind of the beginning of the women's movement.
That's good. That's really good.
And I marched on the 2 different capitals, Georgia and Oklahoma City, for the ERA.
Tell me, what do you think about affirmative action?
Well, I never liked it. Because when I was hired, they did a big spread on me because I was hired as an engineer and I was female. So they did a big spread of me on the magazine and I just felt like it was kind of...
Yeah, like a rare unicorn, huh?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I didn't like it. No, I want them to judge people just as their abilities.
Me too.
I don't care what color, what gender, any of that.
Well, for the record, I have a YouTube channel and this will be going up. People will want to hear what you have to say.
I'm just saying that it should be all about their abilities and not about any of the other stuff.
Same here. Well,
none of that matters.
My name is Ryan. I'm pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Ryan.
Only Caucasian men don't receive affirmative action, so that to me is not equality.
That's because they've always had it better.
Well, arguably.
Oh, no, that's not arguably. Look at the past, baby.
Well, my grandmother said...
Women were possessions until recently.
My grandmother and great-grandmother were actually against women's suffrage because they, quote, didn't want to lose their privileges.
Well, that's
what they said.
That's what men were programming women to think. But my great-grandmother was one of the early suffragettes.
Oh.
I have a picture of her.
So our great-grandmothers were clashing heads, were they not?
My great-grandmother and my grandmother, as a little girl, at a suffragette meeting in Michigan in 1907.
Wow. Well, so there's a lot of history, huh? All right. See you around. Hi. Women should register for selective service. It's equality.